Imagine waking up to a new view every single morning. Mountains one day, a quiet lake the next, and a glowing desert sunset by night. This is not a luxury fantasy anymore. In 2026, affordable living RVs are completely changing the way people travel, work, and even live full-time. And this one proves you don't need a huge budget to live a big life at first glance. This 2026 living RV looks compact and practical, but step closer and you'll realize how smartly every inch has been designed. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a fully functional home on wheels built for real people who want freedom without financial stress. The exterior is clean, modern, and aerodynamic, making it fuel-efficient and easy to drive, even for beginners. No bulky monster truck vibes here. This RV feels friendly, approachable, and ready for everyday adventures. As you step inside, the surprise really begins. The interior instantly feels warm and inviting, with natural tones, soft lighting, and a layout that feels far bigger than it actually is. The living area transforms effortlessly. What's a cozy sofa during the day becomes a comfortable sleeping space at night. Storage is everywhere, cleverly hidden, so nothing feels cluttered. This RV understands minimal living without making you feel like you're giving things up. The kitchen is where affordability meets brilliance. You get a compact but complete setup, a cooking stove, sink, smart cabinets, and enough counter space to prepare real meals, not just instant noodles. Whether you're parked at a campsite or off-grid in nature, this RV lets you eat well and live well. And yes, it's designed to be energy efficient, so solar power options and low-energy appliances help keep running costs down. The bathroom is another pleasant shock. Instead of feeling cramped, it's clean, functional, and thoughtfully laid out. A compact shower, toilet, and sink give you privacy and comfort, proving that affordable doesn't mean uncomfortable. It's perfect for long-term living, weekend escapes, or even remote work life. What really makes this 2026 living RV special is how it supports modern lifestyles. With dedicated space for a small desk, strong ventilation, and power solutions for devices, this RV is ideal for digital nomads, couples, solo travelers, or retirees looking to downsize without sacrificing freedom. It's quiet, efficient, and easy to maintain. Exactly what today's mobile lifestyle demands. And here's the real game changer: the price. In a world where housing costs keep rising, this affordable RV offers an alternative that feels smart, flexible, and empowering. No long-term rent,